The Mayan Train, the flagship project of Mexican President Andrés Manuel López Obrador, has put local communities in the southeast of the country in a dilemma. While recognizing the development it would bring to the region, they have to live with its negative consequences such as touristification and the consequent displacement. Maria Luisa Villarreal is a community advisor and resident in the city of Bacalar.
Este es un proyecto que se presentó como un proyecto de justicia social, es decir, donde se le va a hacer justicia a las comunidades y las comunidades van a poder aprovechar los beneficios del desarrollo, pero esto tiene un costo.
This cost, says Araceli Dominguez, president of the Maya Ecologist Group, implies changes in the way communities live, as well as a lack of transparency in the signing of agreements, the occupation of land, and the failure of the authorities to pay a fair price for expropriations.
Y la mayor parte de las comunidades no quieren ese tipo de desarrollo. No quieren más hoteles, centros comerciales, fraccionamientos en sus áreas. Se han expropiado más de 2.700 hectáreas, la mayoría de ejidos. En algunos casos hay quejas de que no les han pagado o no les han dado lo suficiente o han incumplido con lo que les habían prometido.
The Mayan Train includes more than 1,500 kilometres of railroad to transport cargo, tourists and residents in the 5 southeastern states of the country: Campeche, Chiapas, Quintana Roo, Tabasco and Yucatan. For President López Obrador, however, the Mayan Train, which is expected to be partially inaugurated on December 15, is a project that will bring prosperity to one of the country's most historically forgotten areas.